Now children, let's come to the brain teaser. So value based question is discussed. Now come to the brain teaser. Question number 1. Tick the correct answer. Okay. A. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 is. So you have to solve it and then you will find out 4 options are there. 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. So you will have to find the answer and you will tick the correct option. B. A fraction is greater than 1 if numerator is equal to denominator, numerator is less than denominator, numerator is more than denominator, and numerator is 1. So here numerator, when numerator is more than denominator, then fraction is greater than 1. Now see, 2/3 of an hour is what? Minutes. How many minutes? So you have to find out, and from 4 options are there: 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes, 20 minutes. So hour, 2/3 hour, here it is, answer is in minute. So firstly 1 hour is equals how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 2/3 of 60 minutes, I think it is 40 minutes. 2/3 of 60 minutes, 2 by 3 into 60, then you will find out the answer. Now come to D. What number should be added to 8 by 9 to get 9 by 8? So here what number should be added to 8 by 9 to get 9 by 8? So what number should be added to 8 by 9 to get 9 by 8? So how we will do? We will 9 by 8 will be subtracted from with the 8 by 9. It means we will subtract 8 by 9 from 9 by 8. And then options are 9 by 8, 1, 17 by 72, 19 by 72. So I think third option is 17 by 72 is the correct answer. We will find out it is equal to what. Then this you will get the answer. Now E question. Here is the picture of the fraction 4c. So what is the value of the shaded portion? This shaded portion. You have to find out the value. So find out the value. 4 options are there. 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 4, 2, 3 by 4. So write down the correct answer. Question number 2. Find the sum. So you have to find out addition is there. Question number 3. Subtract 4, 1 by 2 from 6. It means 4, 1 by 2 from 6. So here question number 3, 4, 1 by 2 from 6. So here what we will do? 6 minus 4, 1 by 2. Okay. So here 6 will become 6 by 1 and then 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 2. So then you will solve the answer, you will make the denominator same and then you will solve the answer. And B is also same. Here it is in B, 2, 1 by 2 from 7, 3 by 5. So how you will write? 7, 3 by 5 minus 2, 1 by 2. Now you will convert it into the fraction. 7 5 is 35 plus 3. 38 by 5 minus 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 2. Now these are unlike fraction, you will convert this like fraction. Firstly make this denominator same and do the subtraction. Okay. Now come to question number 4. In question number 4, find the value. Find the value of operation is 2, 3 by 5 plus 3, 1 by 2 minus 2, 1 by 8. Right. Here addition sign and minus sign is there. So firstly we convert this mixed number into fraction. 5 2 is 10 plus 3, 13 by 5 plus 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 minus 8 2 is 16 plus 1, 17 by 8. Right. Now find out the LCM. LCM of 5, 2 and 8 is equal to 40. Correct. Now let us convert all these fraction into unlike fractions into like fraction. So what we will do? First one is 13 by 5. Okay. Now LCM is 40 divided by denominator 5. So 5 8s are 40. Okay. So here 13 will be multiplied with 8 and 5 will be multiplied with 8. 13 8s are 104 and 5 8s are 40. Okay. Now come to next 7 by 2. Next fraction is 7 by 2. So here LCM 40 divided by 2, that is equal to 20. Right. Now here all of you see what we will do. 7 will be multiplied with 20 and 2 will be multiplied with 20, that is equal 140 by 40. Okay, come to the third fraction, 17 by 8. So here LCM 40 divided by 8, that is equal to 5. Now multiply 17 with 5 and 8 with 5. So 5 7 the 35, 5 3, 5 8, 5 and the 5 plus 3 8, 85 by 40. So here we get three fraction, 104 by 40, 140 by 40, 85 by 40. Okay. So here first one is 104 by 40. So first one is 104 by 40. 104 by 40, and second one is minus plus 140 by 40, and third one is minus operation 85 by 40. Correct? Now here denominators are same, so I will take the denominator. Now 104 plus 140 minus 85. Okay. Now you will have to solve this. So what we will get, this addition 404, 404, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, minus 85 by 40. So subtract it, 9, 5, 1, 159 by 40. Okay, now we convert it into the mixed number, then this will be the answer. In this way you have to do it. Now children, your classwork is, you have to do the value based question. Classwork you have to do value based question. So C work is value based question. Of unit number 4, and H work is brain teaser of unit number 4, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So children, hope you have enjoyed the class. So till then, goodbye. Shabak hai.